This add-on having three features. First, it will show party registration type and GSTN in sales entry screen. Secondly, it will show GST percentage and HSN in item selection table. And third, it will show GST percentage and HSN in sales entry screen. Now you can see the video. We are enabling three options in add-on feature. Now in sales entry screen, we are selecting one party. Now you can see just below the party name, it is showing registration type and GSTN number. Now the second feature is in item selection table itself, it is showing GST percentage and HSN. Now the third feature is it will show GST percentage and HSN in sales entry screen. To buy this add-on, WhatsApp to 90370500040. Get updated with new add-ons, new solutions, new technologies. For that, subscribe Get My TDL YouTube channel. Click on the bell button, select all. We will meet in the next video with another solution. Till then, bye.